Good morning, children. All of you take your 10-3 activity book. Open page number 22. Looking back. Circle the odd one in each row. Children, look here. This is a carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. Next one, brinjal. Brinjal is a vegetable. Next one, grapes. The grapes are fruit. Okay. Next one, potato. Potato is a vegetable. Children, in this row, which one is different? Yes, this one. Grapes are fruit. Okay. So, you have to circle this one. Okay. Children, this is an apple. An apple is a fruit. Next one, papaya. The papaya is a fruit. Next one, peas. These are peas. Peas are vegetable. Okay. Next one, grapes. The grapes are fruit. Children, in this row, which one is different? Yes, peas. The peas are vegetable. So, you have to circle this one. Okay. Take next page. Birds around us. Take the correct name of the bird. Children, look here. Two birds' names are given here. Parrot and duck. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot and duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Children, see which bird is this? Yes, this is a parrot. This is a parrot. Okay. So, you have to tick the correct name of the bird. Parrot. Okay. Next one. Two birds' names are given here. Peacock and eagle. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock and eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Children, which bird is this? Yes, this is a peacock. Okay, this is peacock. Children, you have to take the correct name of the bird. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Okay. Next one. Children, two birds' names are given here. Crow and swan. C-R-O-W. Crow. S-W-A-N. Swan. Children, which bird is this? Yes, this is crow. Okay. So, you have to tick the correct name of the bird. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Okay. All of you take next page. Domestic animals. Match the following. Children, look here. This is a cow. This is cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. So, we have to match cow with this milk. Okay. We have to match it. Next one, hen. This is a hen. Children, hen gives us egg. Hen gives us egg. Okay. So, we have to match hen with this egg. We have to match it. Last one, sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. So, we have to match sheep with this wool. Okay. All of you finish? Okay. Children, you have to do all these activities. Thank you.